Imagine this: you come home from school, and instead of your mother or father greeting you, a lifelike AI assistant welcomes you with a smile, scans your emotional state, and asks, "You seem a little stressed. Would you like some tea and an uplifting conversation?" This is not science fiction, this could be our future. Elon Musk has warned that AI will surpass human intelligence. But now, researchers are developing AI that can understand emotions, provide psychological support, and even raise children. Imagine a world where AI becomes the perfect parent, never getting angry, never making mistakes, always there for you. Would this be a revolution for humanity, a broken bar, or the beginning of the end for human families? FY currency AI parenting, how it works. In the year 2035, AI has advanced beyond jobs and automation. Now, it's stepping into parenting and childcare. AIinNannies, lifelike humanoid robots that watch, teach, and comfort children. AIemotional support, children talk to AI assistants, which understand their emotions better than humans. AIteachers, personalized AI tutors adapt to each child's learning style, teaching more efficiently than human teachers. AIdiscipline, instead of punishment, AI modifies a child's behavior through neuroscience and persuasion techniques. It sounds perfect, a broken bar, but is it? The diagnosis, the dark side of AI parenting. While AI might seem like the perfect parent, there are terrifying risks. As AIdiagnosis Sadilla, no human emotion, AI understands emotions but doesn't feel them. A child raised by AI may never learn true human love and empathy. As AIdiagnosis Sadilla, who controls the AI? If a corporation or government programs AI parents, do they control what the next generation believes and thinks? As AIdiagnosis Sadilla, emotional damage, studies suggest that human touch, eye contact, and warmth are essential for child development. Without it, AI-raised children could become emotionally detached or psychologically different from natural humans. As AIdiagnosis Sadilla, at the end of families? If AI raises children, will parents become obsolete? Could future generations no longer see family as necessary? Elon Musk's warning: AI is already taking over. Elon Musk has repeatedly warned about AI's rise, saying, "Artificial intelligence will be smarter than humans sooner than we think." Musk's Neuralink project aims to merge human brains with AI to keep up. But if AI starts raising children, will future generations even be fully human? The biggest question is, will AI parenting create a generation smarter and healthier than us? Or will it destroy human connection forever? And the final question, would you let AI raise your child? The idea of AI replacing parents is both exciting and terrifying. Will AI become the greatest caregiver in history, or will it erase human love forever? What do you think? Would you trust an AI to raise your child? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. AI is transforming our world faster than we can imagine. What will happen next? Subscribe to stay ahead of the future.